Now, the today quant question. Ramesh gave a loan of rupees 680 to Suresh and recovered it at the rate of rupees 40 per month for 20 months. What is the rate of simple interest charge? So for this question, when the rate of simple interest is being charged, then there is one formula approach. Formula is equal installment amount is equal to P in 1 plus n into r upon 100 into 100 over n into 100 plus n into n minus 1 into r by 2. So P is a principal amount, means borrowed sum. N is a number of installments and r is a rate percent. And this is the formula you can use to get the answer directly. Like here, the P is 680, 1 plus number of installment 20, and it is R is a rate percent every month, 20 into 100 plus 20 into 19 minus 20 minus 1 means 19 by 2 into R. And the equal installment is 40 rupees per month. So now, simple matter of formula, 40 into 2000 plus this is 10. So it is 190 R. Here it is 680. This is 100 plus 20 R into 100 by 100 cancel. 40, okay, it is 70. So now this is 2000 plus 190 R. It's 1700 plus 340 R. 340 minus 190 is 150 R. And this is 2000 minus 1700 is 300. So R is 2%. Here, R is a rate percent per month. It is a case of a simple interest. So every month, the rate is 2%. Question is, what is the rate of simple interest per annum, per annum, per annum, per annum? So when monthly interest is simple interest is 2%, so per annum this is going to 2 into 12 means 20%. So this is your answer. Now, if you want to see the detailed explanation this, how it is being happening, then go for the further explanations. And now see the detailed explanation of this question. Here Ramesh gave a loan of rupees 680 to Suresh and recovered it at the rate of rupee 40 per month for 20 months. So actually this 680 rupees become after 20 months at a simple rate of simple interest. If the rate of simple interest is a R% per annum, then 680 rupees after 20 months will be 680 plus 680. R is taking here rate percent per annum and time is for 20 months. So 20 by 12, it is a year upon 100. So this is actually 681 plus 20 by 12 means R by 60. This is a sum due to be paid after 40 months. This 680 rupees after 20 months will become this. So this sum due is to be paid after 20 months. Is it clear? Now look, what Suresh is doing? Suresh is giving 40 rupees every month for 20 months continuously. 40, 40, that as 40 rupees. Okay. Look here. This 40 rupees will be with Ramesh for the next 90 months. 40 rupees every month. This 40 rupees will generate simple interest, and this amount will be with Ramesh. So the effective value of the first installment is like first month. So the rate is R% per annum. So 40 rupees every month, it is R by 12%. First month, then second month, the third month means this amount is with Ramesh for every month till the next 19 months. So it means actually this second installment of 40 rupees, this 40 plus interest of this 40 rupees every month for the next 18 months with Ramesh. This third installments 40 rupees plus the interest of this third installment for the next 17 months. Every month, this 40 rupees will generate R by 12. Are you getting me? So this way, all 20 EMIs will be equal to 40 plus interest generated by the EMI. So last EMI with no interest, but before it, this will goes up to the second last EMI will be like 40. Second last EMI will give only the one interest. So if I add, then this 40 into 20, and here 40 into R by 1200 take common, and then 19, 18, dash plus 1. The value of this should be equal to the sum due after 20 months. So I think it is clear now. Now the 680 and here 60 plus R by 60. This sum due should be equal to this. So here 40 into 20 and plus here it is 40 into R by 12 into 100, and inside formula n plus n by n into n plus 1 by 2. So 19 into 20 by 2 is the sum. So this is 10. So now this is 100. These two zero cancel, and it is 4 3s. So this is actually coming 19 3 this and that, right? Okay. Here it is 3 and 34. So this is 34 into 60 plus 34R by 3 is equal to 2400 plus 19R upon 3. 3 cancel, and 34 into 60, it is 6 4 is 24 and 6 3 is 18 and 20 plus 34R is equal to 2400 plus 19R. 34 minus 90, it is 15R. And here it is 360. 2400 minus 240, 360. So R is going to be 15 to the 30, 4 is 60, 24%. So this is answer 24% per annum. You got me? Actually, in this question, when you are giving 40 rupees installment for the next 20 months, so 40 rupees for the next 20 months is going to 40 into 2800. But the first installment is with the Ramesh, and this 40 rupees will generate every month simple interest, correct? And every 19 months. And second EMI, second installment will generate for the continuously simple rate of interest for the next 18 months. This will for the next 17. Similar, the second last only for the 1 month, and the last will definitely generate no interest. So the total sum of this is must be equal to this sum due after 20 months. So 680 rupees actually after 20 months become this. So the effective value of these installments, 40 rupees for the 20 months, is actually equal to 40 into 20 plus interest generated by each installment till it is with Ramesh till the next 20 months. So the first installment after 1 month means the first installment will be with Ramesh for the next 19 months. So every month it will generate 40 into R by 1200 for the so for 19 months the total interest generated by this for first EMI is this entire. Similarly, the next EMI will generate this. So this must be equal to this amount. So after calculation, you may have value. So this is your detailed explanation. This is for simple interest, right? Point is to be noted. For a compound interest, the approach will be different. Thank you.